Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Target beauty box unboxing. This is the July box. I will link my previous Target beauty box unboxings down below. Basically, this box is only $7. You don't have to pay for shipping and it's great. I love it. All right, let's get into it. So the theme for this month is Hello Rejuvenation. Daily grind running you down? Girl, you're not alone. Sometimes all we need is a little pick-me-up. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated, so you know you can put your best self forward. And then on the back is a list of the products and a $3 off coupon for Target. Ooh, it seems like there's a lot in this box. Okay, the first thing, I have to sneeze. That's the first thing. Resale Repair and Protect 7 Mask, Instant Recovery Mask with biotin. Looks like this. Specially formulated with biotin to deeply penetrate hair fiber from within and strengthen breakage and split ends so locks look and feel luscious. It repairs 7 types of hair damage, from brushing, blow drying, bleaching, coloring, curling, flat ironing, and braiding. I just recently dyed my hair, so I'm excited to try this out. Results in 1 use. Ooh. Okay, next thing is from Shea Moisture. This is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with tea tree oil. It's blended with bamboo and charcoal. It helps draw out dirt from skin, while organic raw shea butter moisturizes and soothes. This is a good size. 2 ounces. That's a really good size. Can you guys hear my crazy girls in the background? They're crazy. Wow, I don't think I've ever gotten this many things in a box before. Okay, next is from Hask. This is the coconut dry shampoo. Yes, I'm obsessed with like anything coconut right now. Long-lasting dry shampoo, and again, this is a really good size too. This is 1.7 ounces. Okay, my battery light's flashing, so I need to hurry. Okay, this is the Acure Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. Organic sea kelp and lemon peel gently exfoliate skin, while French green clay and Madonna lily draw out impurities to boost and brighten. So it's a facial scrub. You guys can't see. There we go. I still got 3 more things. Ooh, this is a really good size. This is the Nivea Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. Delightfully rich mousse gently cleanses the skin with light moisturization for a silky smooth feel during and after a shower or bath. This is a really good size. This is 6.8 ounces. I scratch and sniff right here. Ooh, that's what it smells like. It smells very clean. These are the Up and Up 3-Day Whitening Kit. Vibrant whitening strips are scientifically designed to remove years of tough stains for a visibly whiter smile. So there are 6 strips in here, which is 3 treatments. Yeah, comparable to the Crest 3D White Strips. No slip white strips, removes years of tough coffee, wine, and smoking stains. Whiter teeth in just 3 days. Definitely excited to try that out. And then the last thing in the box is a mask. This is from Clean and Clear. This is the Night Relaxing Jelly Eye Sheet Mask with seaweed extract. Well, that's what that looks like. Cooling hydrogel sheet mask is designed to adhere to skin's contours to help lock in essential nourishing ingredients for a replenished, refreshed glow. I'm excited to try this. I'm excited for this box. Like I said, I don't think I've ever gotten a box with this many products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. That's a lot, guys. All this stuff for only $7. What a deal. If you guys are interested in this box, I'll have a link down below. I believe you can still get it. I'm going to try to get this video up soon because this box does sell out. So yeah, if you're interested in this box, make sure you try to get it soon. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.